Okay, Philip, this is a very important piece. This is the clamp that holds the support for the pole which holds the canopy. I'll show you where this goes on the bus. It goes on the opposite side. Here we go. I usually put it between these two windows. On Turk, it just clamps to the rain gutter. You just have to be careful not to scratch anything. The paint is so nice. You just tighten it up. And that's where that goes. Now we go back to the other side. Okay. Here's where it gets a little tricky. This is the support pole for the canopy. There are 3 chains on it. 2 of the chains support the canopy, and the rear chain supports the pole. Here we go. Again, you have to be very careful you don't scratch the bus. It fits up here in this little bracket, just like so. Okay. You let the chains hang. It'd be nice if you had somebody to help you so it doesn't scratch the bus, but actually it doesn't really need to be. Now you have to walk the top chain over to the other side, like this. Just follow me. Notice it has a little plastic tube that protects the bus from the chain. What you do is you loop it on the little S-hook like this. Okay? And you can just let this hang in the rain gutter for now because you will be adjusting it later. You can raise and lower the canopy by increasing the tension on the chain.